Today, we visit with an employee at Trinity Woodworks in Oceanside, California, where custom casework and millwork is manufactured from hardwoods, steel, and laminates. The result is premium quality environments used in restaurants, airports, and other fine establishments.
My name is Ernie Vega, and I'm in charge of shipping and receiving at Trinity Woodworks. Trinity Woodworks is a woodworking company that does a lot of cabinetry, countertops, and woodworking fixtures. Basic job responsibilities are inventory, receiving material that's coming in and outgoing as well. We have a lot of product that's going out based on the months like right now during the summer. We're more busy, so we have a lot more going out. It'd be like full stores going out. Pretty much when I say full stores, it'd be all of everything pretty much you see in Starbucks. What I like most about my job is just every day I have something different to do. I mean, I'm not doing the same thing every day. There's always something to do, something different. I'm always doing something different and it's not repetitive. In terms of education, coming straight out of high school, this is something that you can just get your foot in and learn from there. There's no college required. I mean, you can get everything in-house, you can learn everything here. On-the-job training is one of the benefits here. So one of the challenges at this job would be deadlines, making sure product is here on time. This is for receiving, making sure we get everything here on time, scheduling, and also getting product out, working with the customer, making sure we get things to them on time, and working with different carriers to make sure that we set up scheduling to get items out as well. When hiring, I would want to hire somebody that is fresh out, pretty much out of high school, basic education, willing to learn, dependable, and a good attitude. What makes me feel good about my job is making sure that the job is completed and the customers are satisfied.